There we go. Okay, so here we are, me and Glenn. Say hi, Glenn.
Hi, Glenn.
And hello. So we're actually in Scottsdale, right outside of Glenn's mom's home. It's a nice neighborhood. Oh, the birds are getting quiet.
They go up and down.
Okay, so this is just
Look at eyes. So
a tree. You can hear them.
No, they're getting quieter.
Sounds like a jungle. What is going on over there? This is like, there's a house here. This is just a tree, some trees alongside their house. Perhaps one of our bird watching friends can explain what in the hell is going on in Scottsdale, Arizona. Now they're getting quiet. It sounds like there's all sorts of different bird calls. Oh, there's a little birdie. I hope they don't come down and attack us. If they do, then I'm in Scottsdale. I'll try to post this while I'm being bludgeoned to death or poked to death by these birds. Ooh, something's going on in there. It's really weird. It's really strange. So it's getting quight. So
Waves.
I think we're safe.